gig ports. And then you can say to your customer, okay, look, you can buy this unit that comes with that incredible fast storage, and this is how we put that into your network as well. So that's just one example, I guess, of how we're growing into enterprise. It's definitely a huge target for us. You see globally, QNAP have something like 1,300 employees, and nearly half of them are in R&D. Wow. And there has been noticeably less of a focus on the Soho market for product releases over the last few years, and all of the interesting stuff now is in that enterprise space. So it's going well.
Fantastic. One of the questions that's not written down here is, and I think it's quite adept that you mentioned backup. You are one of the very few vendors to support immutability on your storage.
Yeah. So particularly when you talk about immutability with Veeam, so one of the things that we've done massively well and we get used for a lot over however many years is we are accredited. We're on the Veeam website as a backup target for that software. When they brought out their version 12, I think it is, which is their immutable storage or immutable backup, to be compatible with that, you obviously have to pass their testing. Not a lot of vendors have gone through that process. And the ones that have, primarily the ones that have, are a cloud target.
Yeah.
And what we offer, obviously, as an on-premise storage provider is for those customers that want their backups to be on site, or even if you move away from even from a policy, from a legal standpoint, they have to have their data on site or know where their data is, then wanting an alternative to S3 as a Veeam immutable location, there aren't a lot of options. So we pass that testing and we can do that. But natively we can do it as well. So again, you go back to the app infrastructure of the operating system, we can create immutable backups, whether that's from QNAP to QNAP or from QNAP to another cloud location. We have software within the NAS called QObjects, which creates that S3 bucket or S3 compatible storage. And we can use worm volumes as well. So